Welcome to the Parsimony tutorial on managing income tax slabs in the payroll module. In this video, we'll explore how to set up and manage income tax slabs to ensure accurate tax calculations for your employees in Parsimony. Let's begin by navigating to the payroll module on the Parsimony dashboard. Click on Payroll to access the tools for managing employee salaries and taxation. The payroll module is where you handle all aspects of employee compensation, including income tax calculation. Click on Income Tax Slab to configure the income tax slabs used for tax calculation in Parsimony. Here, you'll find a list of all defined income tax slabs in your organization. To create a new income tax slab, click on the New button. In the creation form, you'll need to provide details for the new income tax slab. Enter the name of the income tax slab and the effectivity date. Specify the range of income for this tax slab. This determines which income bracket this tax slab applies to. Enter the tax rate applicable to income falling within this tax slab. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, click Save to create the new income tax slab. The system will now show the newly created income tax slab in the list. You can edit or modify existing income tax slabs at any time by clicking on the Edit button next to the slab. If you no longer need an income tax slab, you can delete it by clicking on the Delete button. Fantastic! You've learned how to manage income tax slabs in Parsimony, ensuring accurate tax calculations for your employees. Thank you for watching this tutorial.